Oh, that's close. Hi, you guys. It's Molly from Molly's Artistry. I'm trying to get this camera right so that you guys can see. Hi. So I just did one that was coral and bright aqua and black and gold, and I did not care for the coral. So I took the coral out and I put a blue in. I put in an Artist Loft Brilliant Blue. There are 3 drops of silicone in each one, and I used a little bit less paint so that I could stretch them a little bit further. So we'll see if this one does any better. Somebody on Facebook made a comment about doing some copper, so maybe copper gold, teal and coral, so maybe I'll try that next. But we'll see how this one goes. I think these colors may be a little bit better. Made my paints a little bit thicker, so I'll see if I can get some extra cells in there. Maybe they'll hold together a little bit better, but again, I'm experimenting. Tonight was a night of fails. I don't even know if the videos will make it up there. Maybe I'll do a couple of them. I did a couple swipes, tried a couple different color combinations. I did a big black green aqua swirl one, and I really didn't like the color green that I chose, because really a lot of this art is about the color palette that you choose, and I have my comfort zone and I've been trying to get out of my comfort zone, but we'll see. Let me shut the door to my garage and I'll be back. Okay, so let's see how this one goes. Oh, I got that poop of aqua color right there. Didn't really want that, but we'll see if I can tilt it off. See if there's any more in this one to go down on the corner. I think sometimes it's a good reminder to have nights of fails. You learn stuff every single time. Ooh, this one's going to be a dark one, I think. The black really took over this one. May have been a little bit different consistency than the others, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So I've got a pretty ring of gold right here. Get the air bubbles out, see if any other cells pop up. Put less silicone in this one, so we'll see if that helps. Still gonna get cellmania here, people. My pouring mixture that I use, just with like 1 drop of silicone, just gives me crazy cells normally, really. So a couple of these, I don't like their shapes already, so I don't know if they're gonna stretch out good or not. But all we can do is try, right? So I think I may go to this side first. I'm gonna let this sit for 1 second. Sorry that that glare is there. So I'm gonna let this sit for 1 second and then start moving the paint over to this side. I've already got some cells that are kind of not holding their shape right here, so we'll see how it goes. This paint mixture is a little bit thicker. I'm gonna see if I can get up into that corner. Okay, pull it back to the center. Then we'll move the paint over to this corner. And up. Move it back to the center. See that I've got this down here that hasn't gone over yet. Maybe I'll just go straight up and over. See if I can get that over there. Don't want to tilt off too much. It's kind of hard to try to do this. I'll do that after. Back to center. Then I'll come down this way a little bit. This cell right here kind of muddied up a little bit. My black, I think, was a little bit too thick. Learning process. So I'm going to go down to this corner. The paint really wasn't in the center when I started moving that. Down to this corner first. You don't want to go too fast or you will stretch all of your cells out like immediately. I'm going to come back over to the center, down this way. Okay, as that stretched out, I actually kind of like that. Got a lot of black cells right through there. Let's see if I can kind of, I'm gonna tilt the paint this way and down a little bit more to get that corner. I really liked the cells that were happening over there though, so. Okay. Okay. Liking this one a little bit more than the last one. I'm gonna move that paint back up to the center. Back over that way a little bit. Corner covered right here. Get that corner covered right there. Okay, so this one's pretty cool. I actually like the colors here. Got a couple cool cells in there. That gold, man, that gold really takes over. It certainly does. Really like that blue. The blue and the aqua are playing beautifully together. I might do another one with black and white and aqua and this brilliant blue and see how that does. I'm gonna spin my canvas around, see if I need to. That's the good thing about the little 10 by 20 canvas. You can spin it around and see what you need to clean up. Different look on this side. I really, really like what's going on over here. This side got a little bit dark. Really like the cells that were going on over there. I might just try to tilt a little bit more off the bottom. Don't want to get my cells too stretched out though. The gold is nice. I do like it. Just maybe not so much in these. I think copper would have been nice in this as well. These cells in here just got a little bit muddy. It'll probably bother me, but that's okay. Let me take the camera down. Let me wipe my hands off. Take the camera down and show you what I got. Yeah, I wish there was something I could do in here to fix that. Okay, but that is what she looks like. My lighting in here is horrible. I have to do this in the full daylight, really. But yeah, that's my favorite portion right there. But that's it. All right, you guys, thank you. Have a good night.